A paint store mixes a 3/4 pint of red paint and 2/3 pint of white paint to make a new paint color called perfect pink. How many pints of red paint would be needed to make 34 pints of perfect pink paint? Okay, now we can find the ratio between the amount of red paint and the amount of white paint from this information. Okay, here the ratio between the amount of red paint and white paint is equal to 3 over 4 to 2 over 3. Okay, now to make the calculation process easier, we have to convert the terms of the ratio as integers. So for that, we have to get rid of the two denominators of 4 and 3. What is the least common multiple of 4 and 3? That is 12. Let's multiply both the terms of the ratio by 12. That is 3 over 4 times 12 to 2 over 3 times 12. Okay, here 4 goes into 4 one times, 4 goes into 12 3 times. Here 3 goes into 3 one times, 3 goes into 12 4 times. So we get 3 times 3 is 9 and here 2 times 4 is 8. Here I've got the ratio of the red paint and white paint, that is 9 to 8. From the terms of the ratio over here, if I want to get the exact number of pins of red paint and exact number of pins of white paint to make a new paint color called perfect link, we have to multiply both the terms by the same non-zero number, say x. So now the number of pins of red paint is 9x. That is, I multiply the first term by the non-zero number x. Now to get the number of pins of white paint, we have to multiply the second term of the ratio by the same non-zero number x and we get 8x. Okay, here we got the number of pins of red paint and number of pins of white paint in the mixture. That is a perfect pink paint. When we add them, we get 17x. So the number of pins of perfect pink paint is 17x. According to the question, we have 34 pins of perfect pink paint. So this 17x and this 34 represent the same stuff. That is the number of pins of perfect pink paint. We can equate them. Okay, 17x equals to 34. Let's solve for x in this equation. For that, we have to divide both sides by 17. Then this 17 will cancel out. We get x on the left side. When I divide 34 by 17, I am getting 2. Okay, now what we can do is we can plug in this 2 for x over here. When I do so, 9 times 2 is 18. When I plug in 2 for x over here, I'm getting 16. So in this 34 pins of perfect pink paint, we have 18 pins of red paint and 16 pins of white paint. And our aim is to find the number of pins of red paint in 34 pins of perfect pink paint. That is 18. We find 18 in answer choice C. The correct answer choice for this question is C.